money bus.
What are you doing with Poppy's watch? Hmm? Yeah. You're holding on to Poppy's watch. Make sure it stays where it's supposed to. You look pretty tired. Hiccups! Hiccups!
You think that's what he did? Shoot now, quick. Did she get ya?
It's a video camera.
It is, so she got a picture of you smiling.
That's right. Yes? Wait, what?
Would you like to do Chinese jump rope high and low?
Yes.